Here is new really cool apps called Rezona AI Game Maker. Make fun games with AI tools. So turn memes, mini games with a simple upload, endless meme games, endless swiping, zero code skill needed. Remix anything, publish and share, reacts with fun emojis, join and explore. So this is the idea. AI meme game maker. If you ever thought, what if this meme is a game, this app is for you. So the idea is that, with AI now it's super easy to build mini apps. You don't need to code or spend like days and hours to do that. You just type the prompt and this app will build a mini app for you, but it will also publish it in the feed like Instagram, and other people can like it, share it, and play it. Kind of like Instagram with mini apps which are built with AI, and you can also build it yourself. And a lot of people think that it's too technical or it's too boring, but it's actually super engaging and super fun. You just, as you can see, these are different games. You can see number of likes, views, people who played it. So something like that, and then you can just, okay, so something like that. All kind of games like that. So, and you can see a lot of people play these games, and then of course you can publish your own game. You can just create. And then you see in the box, you see your profile. You can see which game you played. And it's kind of, you can collect followers in here, same as in Instagram. And maybe, you can see trending hashtags. It's kind of like Instagram, top creators. I don't know whether you can earn revenue in here. You can see top games. Top rising games. Super cool. So yeah, there you have it.